So this is the problem statement. A leg kicking a soccer ball has an initial angular velocity of 5 radians per second, and it has a mass of 10.5 kilograms. So what we're trying to find right here is the final velocity of the soccer ball if the mass is 0.45 kilograms and the leg is 0.8128 meters. So these are the assumptions that we're going to have to make. First, we're going to model the leg as a solid cylinder, and we're also going to assume that the leg is a rigid body, so it will stay straight throughout the motion. Next, you're going to assume that the hip joint does not move and that it exerts no torque on the leg. And the third assumption is that the collision is perfectly plastic. And the fourth collision is that the knee has no movement.
So to find the final velocity of the ball after impact, all we have to use is conservation of linear momentum. So to start off with the first equation, we have the mass of the leg times the initial velocity of the leg is equal, before the impact, is equal to the mass of the leg times the velocity of the leg after impact, plus the mass of the ball times its velocity after impact. Then we have variables here, and our second equation is that the velocity final of the leg equals 1/2 of the velocity of the ball. And we're assuming that because we assume that the center of gravity of the leg is halfway down its length, so the velocity at the end is twice the velocity at the center. And using those two equations with the two variables, we get that the final velocity of the ball is 4.12 meters per second.